Okay guys, welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much more. Good morning to you guys, mad love. We're gonna go over the Bitcoin charts, we're gonna go over the Bitcoin coin market cap, we're gonna go over all kinds of different stuff. We're gonna talk about the news, the Fed, and what was going on, the basis points, and we're gonna poke around and we're gonna see the bullish day today on crypto news. In a moment, we're gonna dive right on into our live crypto news now. Okay, live crypto news. Live crypto news with Jay. Okay, so here we go, guys. Coin market cap. We have an overall coin market cap coming in at 1.051 trillion. 24-hour volume at 100 billion. That is awesome. Bitcoin sitting at 22,955, and it's pretty much it's only down 0.65. It's up 2% in a 7-day. Ethereum at 1,633, down 0.67. USDT now $65 billion market cap. USDC $54 billion market cap. Do you think that's going to flip? BNB at 267, mad bullish. Right now down 0.25%. Binance US dollar now has $17 billion market cap. XRP, yes, 35 cents at 0.13 actually. So XRP riding even. I love that 35 cents. Number 8. Cardano at 49 cents, up 0.32. Solana back at 40, down 0.18. Dogecoin sitting at that 6 cents still, 0.21. And then we go into our 10 to 20. We have our Shiba Inu up 0.31, $6 billion market cap. So they're making it back into there. Avalanche is above 20, which is good. They have 8% on the past 24 hours, $6 billion market cap, nice. Polygon, a lot of different deals going on Polygon. That's going to be one of the main layer project, guys, so that should be something you should hold in your portfolio. $7 billion. You guys know DAI, and then Polkadot. Polkadot is at $7 billion market evaluation. So here we go. That's today's cryptocurrency market cap numbers, and what we're going to do next is we're going to hop into the charts. Bitcoin charts. This is the 1 hour chart. I use Trader's Reality indicator because it gives me everything I need. As you see, I get the different sessions: Sydney, Hong Kong, New York. I get my moving averages. So it's a hybrid system, and it gives me everything I need to know all together at once. This is the Bitcoin 1 hour chart, and as you can see, when we were riding below the 50 EMA, when I was talking to you guys and I said, hey, we need to retest it, we caught it. Now we came to the upside. Okay, the sessions held nicely, and now what we're seeing is this 50 EMA. Now what I'm wondering is, can we come back to it and then continue to the upside? And this is going to be on the 1 hour, or are we going to go all the way back down to the 50 EMA at the 22.3? So, and that's the psychological low, because we are right now at the psychological high, okay? So a move that we could see is back to the psychological low, which is the 22.2, okay? And then a continuation to the upside, but right now we're looking bullish. We're above this. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. The 4 hour chart, let's see where we're at on our moving averages. Okay, so we're extended above, which is good. We do have this big green vector candle here, so I would expect a little bit of a retrace back down to the moving averages. Just that way they can recover some of that vector, and then we can continue to the upside. So that's definitely really bullish. A small scalp depending on the day. Let's go ahead and look at the S&P. So the S&P did have a nice bullish day yesterday, and it pulled up. Right now it's down 0.21. So we probably could see Bitcoin actually on that chart here, 4 hour. Okay, yeah, pull back to the top of the pink at the 22.3 or 22.5 level. So if I was going to do a short scalp, I would short scalp from now with my take profit at 22.390 or 22.450. I have the links in the description below if you want to subscribe. If you want to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscription, hit the bell, rock out with us. We always do the latest and greatest. Okay, next. yeah, just stop on by, smash the like, make sure you follow, rock out. We're going to do much more than this, and we're going to keep it moving here. So, we talked about Bitcoin. Let's go look at Bitcoin on the daily. We're still talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the daily is hitting that 50 EMA. I want to see us come above that and close the candle above it. And that is our news for Bitcoin. So we'll be sitting and watching. The Fed did come in at their 0.7 points. It's not hawkish. It's not, it's kind of in the middle. It was expected. So then the market's pumped. Ethereum and we're going to look at the Ethereum daily, is now above the 50 EMA, retesting, continuing to the upside. Next target, it would be our moving averages up here at 2100. But I see a top here would be a target for me once we retested the 50, okay? The top target for me was the $2,000 even for Ethereum. So I do see some bullish action for Ethereum, looking really nice on the daily, back above on top of the 50 EMA. So if we can continue this, this is definitely a good sign. Binance, BNB, you know I love my BNB. We are riding on the daily in this 50 EMA. We retested it, pull above. Let's close and continue a candle so that way we can make it above the 800, and then we would be really bullish. At the moment, I don't really see us pulling back to recover this vector candle. But if we do break below that 50 to come back down to that vector candle, it would be at the 217. But 270 is definitely a really bullish area for BNB. XRP, 35 cents. Yes, I love this one. This one I'm going to show you some smaller time frames because I love to go over this. This is awesome. And we are going to see here. Okay, so same thing. XRP hit the 50 EMA, came back up. Now it's retesting. So I might want to see it pull a little bit because look, all the moving averages are coming together. So that's getting ready for like an explosive move, man. I think we're going to hit these moving averages, and then because Bitcoin was bullish, we can bounce back up to the psychological high at that 36 cents. That's my hope, okay? But you got to remember, we have this vector candle here, which is if we do close and fall below, XRP will come back down to the bottom of the vector at 34 cents. So that's a 1 cent move, so keep that in mind, okay? Dogecoin at 6 cents. Let's take a look on the short time frame. Look at that, man. Bounce from the 50, hit the 200. Now, Dogecoin's riding on top of the 200, which is actually pretty cool. If it can close and stay above, and then all of a sudden the 50 crosses back over the 200, then Dogecoin could be on some bullish movement, man. I can see Dogecoin coming back into the 7 cents, and then possibly 9 cents after that. Cardano at 50 cents even. We had the pump. Everybody had the pump, that was during, the news come out expecting. Now they're retesting, and the retest looks like it's coming through. Okay, the 50 did cross over the 200, so that is bullish actually on Cardano. So it retested it, so that would be, I would feel okay with entering a trade into here now versus when we were riding right here below this 50. I'm like, I don't know how much lower we are going to go. But now that we're up here and we're testing and closing candles, okay, we could come back to the psychological high at that $52. Babyswap, shout out to Babyswap. These are my farms. I love the farms. Okay, it's awesome. Baby, back above that 200 moving average. It needs to stay above that because this is the coin that's paid out on the farms, and this just needs to be stable. If it keeps going down, then you're not going to get your payouts. But when the crypto markets pumps, Baby does pump, and I do hold some farms with Babyswap. Okay, now Avalanche, we said that we're above that 20. We've seen that pump. Now Avalanche is riding sideways, okay? At some point, we're going to retest these moving averages at that 22. So if you get a short little scout short to the 22, because they do have to cross, so it's got to come to that at some point. Solano above that 40, okay? So Solano is actually trying to pump. You see how it's above the 200 now, and the 50 is about to come right here and cross it. So actually, Solano is looking probably one of the more bullish ones, actually, which is actually pretty cool. Psychological high for Solano at 41. I think we can hit that. FTM. Let's see FTM. Okay, so FTM comes up, hits a daily open, pulls back to the 50, and then comes back up. So interesting. This is something I want to watch because I think they're going to come back. Even though this 50 right here crossed, Okay, we're gonna probably come back down to test that 50 at the 31. So I'm gonna take a look and watch that. Matic, a lot of hype around Matic lately, guys, and this is nice. I saw this happen. Okay, I'm waiting for the perfect retrace, and I didn't catch it here. So I'm gonna wait for my next little bounce onto the moving average, so that way I can load up on more of a bag for Matic, and I'm gonna start loading up more Matic. I mainly hold Bitcoin, I hold XRP, Ethereum, and Binance BNB. I believe in BNB, man. BNB moves nice, and you can actually hold your Bitcoin on BNB and even transfer it to phemex, and then you can transfer it out to your cold wallet as regular BNB. It's definitely an awesome chain, easy to use, great to use. If you ever have any questions, man, you can drop a comment and I'll get in touch with you. Don't forget to smash those like buttons for me, guys. This is what gets us going, you know. This is gets our chat out there, gets the word out there, you can actually takes us to the moon. Mad love to you guys. Transfer it to phemex, and then you can transfer it out to your cold wallet as regular BNB. It's definitely an awesome chain, easy to use, great to use. If you ever have any questions, man, you can drop a comment and I'll get in touch with you. Don't forget to smash those like buttons for me, guys. This is what gets us going, you know. This is exactly. So smash that like button, hit that bell, and do what you gotta do. We talked about the coin market cap, we talked about the cryptocurrencies and everything else. Just real quick, we can show you the S&P even at 400. Let's take a look at the price of gold real quick. Okay, gold. Let's see where it's sitting. Actually, gold did pump, which is interesting. So Bitcoin pumped and gold pumped. Usually, it's Bitcoin. Gold looks like it's heading for that 1763. Let me take a look at oil real quick. And let's go down here. Okay, so oil did have a pullback, and it's been battling. Let's go to a daily on oil so I can get a better perspective. Okay, excellent. So it pulled back to this moving average. So, the transportation costs of moving goods around the world could start getting cheaper. But there's also a bunch of different news coming out in that regard. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed me going over all the different charts and the different cryptos and everything like that. Shout out to Miku. Miku had a nice pump there, and Miku definitely. I've been loading up new bags. Opening up new bags. So we have some new holders, and that's definitely something that you take a look at. Miku Coin, man. We've been in that chat actually, and they're pretty awesome, and rocking out. I'm gonna say doing the end with Miku shout out right now. Telegram group. So join the Telegram group. That's where you can find me at. I rock out with them all the time. The latest and greatest crypto and much, much more, guys. Mad love and respect. This has just been such an awesome journey that I can, do with you guys. Let's actually go see the Dex tools, and I'm going to show you the chart for them on Dex tools, and we can take a look at that. Shout out to Piggy Inu too. I dropped a tweet for them, so mad love in that direction. But yeah. We can go from here, and let's see. Wait for it to pop up. Okay. Huh. A little slow today on the on the Dex tools. Maybe 'cause I got a lot of feeds running. Yeah, man. I really enjoyed being out here with you guys and rocking out. It's been an awesome experience, man. You guys are awesome. Let's see. Come on, load for us, baby. Load for us. Load our chart. Here it comes. Let's see the chart. Alright, it's on a 15 min. Wow, it's got a bunch of different things. Google Maps, everything is updated up there. Yeah, some really nice buys coming in. A lot of people DCAing. Wow, that's really nice. And overall, I don't know why it's not loading the charts all the way. Are we getting stuck? I don't know why it's not loading the chart for TradingView, but it's okay. We are at a nice little spot here. And we're going to look at it here. We're just going to go here. Okay, so look at this. Yeah, nice pump to the upside. And then you can see that after we had this dip come up and then we dipped. And then this is like perfect hitting support. So I think that's actually pretty cool. They have a bunch of buys coming in, you know. A lot of movement, a lot of liquidity. They got A's and B liquidity. Okay, so yeah, pretty cool, man. I just want to shout out for them because they show me mad love and respect. And one more time, go back to our Bitcoin chart. We are at $23,100 on Bitcoin. I am loving it. Okay, guys, let's have an awesome day. Let's get that candle above on this daily and close it so we can continue to the upside. Mad love and respect to all you guys for visiting Jay's Strategies at